From land to sea, connection propels civilization forward. Today, global ports are calling for a new revolution, more efficient, eco-friendly, and intelligent modes of connection. AOTUO, originating from Hangzhou, has made this our mission since 2003, to set the benchmark for global dry bulk handling equipment, transforming every port operation with our technology. True transformation is never a piecemeal replacement. With practical innovation at our core, AOTUO, an integrated port bulk material transfer solution that redefines the industry. We have taken the lead in formulating China's national industry standards, and drawing upon over 2 decades of dedicated focus, we have engineered connection into a precise system that is enclosed, continuous, intelligent, and clean, centered around the Rail Mobile Screw Ship Unloader. This embodies our steadfast commitment to customer success and to solving the industry's dual challenges of efficiency and environmental impact. A top-tier solution requires an exceptional delivery system. AOTUO's value lies in providing full-cycle, integrated services that span the entire project lifecycle. From initial design and precision manufacturing to global installation, commissioning, and lifecycle maintenance, we adhere to the principle of utmost integrity to ensure reliability at every stage. Our integrated digital platform extends service to the cloud, safeguarding customer operations 24/7 with an accountable and altruistic spirit. Our goal is to make every choice worry-free and every partnership one of absolute confidence. We carry forward the mission of connection, constantly infusing it with sustained innovation. We firmly believe that collaboration and sharing leads to shared success. AOTUO, with more efficient, eco-friendly, and intelligent systems, is reimagining the future of port alongside global partners. We are transforming not only how materials flow, but also the very connection between land and sea, achieving customer success through innovation and service, and becoming a globally renowned brand.